Hello learners, and welcome once again to self-learning. As self-learning always tries to bring something new and teach you something new to enhance your skills. So today self-learning will teach you phrases. Do not forget to subscribe the channel to get more such videos. So let's learn today phrases and its types. But first we need to know what are phrases. A phrase is a set of words used together as a unit within a sentence to add meaning to the sentence. It does not convey a complete thought as it doesn't have a subject and a verb together. So what are its types? Some of the common types of phrases are noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. There are other phrases as well, like gerund phrase, infinitive, participle, absolute, etc. But these are some of the common types of phrases. So let's look in detail about it. Noun phrase. A noun phrase, also known as a nominal phrase, is made up of a noun along with all its modifiers. Modifiers can occur before or after the noun in a noun phrase. What is the purpose of a noun phrase? A noun phrase, like any other noun, can be used as a subject, object, or complement in a sentence. So let's look at its examples. That new blue cycle is mine. The shop at the left sells lots of brownies. Now in these both the sentences, the words which are bold, new blue cycle, the shop at the left, they are noun phrase. Verb phrase. A verb phrase is a structural unit in which the primary verb is preceded by an auxiliary helping verb. It is a verb that is followed by another word or words that indicate tense, mood, or person. Examples: the student is reading a new book. He must walk half an hour daily. She was walking to school today. Now, is reading, must walk, was walking, they all are verb phrase. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words headed by an adjective that describes a noun. Adjective phrases modify nouns or pronouns. To recognize an adjective phrase, look for a collection of words in a sentence that are working together to describe a noun or a pronoun. So let's look at its examples. The tiny rat sprang at the large cat. A few extra buttons came with the shirt. The dog that seems very angry barks non-stop. Now here you will notice that there is an adjective in an adjective phrase. Adverb phrase. A phrase which consists of a group of two or more words that function as an adverb in a sentence. Just as an adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb, similarly, an adverb phrase further defines a verb, adverb, or an adjective. Adverb phrases are used to explain how, where, why, or when something was accomplished. Examples: I parked the car right here. I saw a lot of trash beside the road. Right here, beside the road. These are adverb phrase. So now prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a collection of words that includes the preposition, its object, and any modifiers to the object. A prepositional phrase usually modifies a verb or a noun. Some of its examples: they climbed up the hill. The cake with chocolate chips is yours. The dogs ran through the garden. Up the hill with chocolate chips, through the garden, these are all prepositional phrases consisting of preposition. So if you look at all the phrases, whether it is a noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase or any other, it also consists its head verb, that is a noun, a verb or a preposition. I hope this video has cleared your concept of phrases and its type. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and also share to others. Happy learning!